Anna, Kiana, Aubriana, Adriana, and Dreana. And this is the back of their head, mind you. Okay? Next group. Ready? Here's Michaela. Michaela. Kaylin. Caitlin. Madeline, and Madeline. So good. And by the way, all of the Madelines also go by Maddie and play cello. So, Maddie, cello. I would have put the 6th grade Maddie on viola had I known of the Maddie problem that I was going to have. So then we have Eric and Derek. And then we have Alex C, Alex D, and Alex M. We have Boy Bailey, Girl Bailey, and Bailey. We have Cameron and Cameron. We have Danielle and Danielle. We have Emily and Emily. And we have Matthew and Matthew. And Riley and Riley. And Sky. We've saved the best for last, and that would be